So we just arrived. Smooth flight. We got a lift from the airport. It's $35. It's a bit more expensive than normal, but it all worked out nicely. And our room is a corner suite, a remodeled corner suite, which we had last time, and but we got the other side of the building, and near the Cosmo this time rather than near Caesars. And we've got a lower suite, lower floor, but we've got a view, and we weren't expecting a view. And I did ask him at the checkout, at the check-in I should say, whether or not we could have a room with a view, and he said no, sorry. Do you want a smoking or non-smoking? And I said non-smoking. He said, well, this is the room I've got, it's a corner suite. So, and lo and behold, we got the same room as we did last time. It's a really nice room, which I'm going to show you in a second. And it's got a view. We got a view of the Strip. We got a view of the fountains. So you can't grumble at that. So we'll start with the bathroom, and again we got the double vanity sinks and large mirrors, and really nice toiletries. It's all very classy. We got this sort of close-up mirror, his and hers, and deep tub, and there's the window which looks across to the Cosmo, which I'll show you in a second. Yeah, it is a very deep hot tub. We have standard toilet and a large shower unit. Yeah, it's going to do the job, I think. So we're used to this type of room, and they are more than adequate for our needs. I'll just show you the view in a second. So here we go. This is the view from the side, from the bathroom side. It's pretty good. So we got the Cosmo, we got Planet Hollywood, and we got the Paris balloon. You see the Paris balloon? Yeah, I'm sure you can. There's the front of Bellagio, there's the conservatory. Let's say we're on floor 5, so it's a fairly low floor. We've still got lovely views. And then the main room. We've got the usual controls for the curtains and the, I think this just must be the main light. There we go. Oh, that's better. Some main lights there. Didn't realise. And here we are. So we've done all this before, but we'll do it again.
This side, yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that side.
We'll go top that way. Got lovely view of Planet Hollywood.
So side view again. The aria. This is all the Cosmo, which is part of the MGM group now, since we come last. Planet Hollywood, and just about to see the Paris, where we'll be spending the end of our holiday. This is 4 nights stay at the Bellagio, 3 nights at the Paris, from Thursday to Sunday. And where are we now? We're Sunday, and we are it's 9 o'clock in the evening. So, as for the rest of the room, easy chairs. There's a table there for writing and a light to go with it. Small cupboard. It's not all that big. Not for our clothes. No. It's just, I don't know where we're going to put everything, but I'm sure we'll try and fit it all in somehow. We might always manage somehow. An iron. And if I can just show you the view, I might see some glare unfortunately, but this is the glue from the glue. Yeah. This is the main view, which is basically one of the iconic views on the strip. It's the Eiffel Tower, the link, the big wheel, the big high roller, the Bally's slash horseshoe, which is now renamed and it's been remodeled inside. Caesar's Palace, of course. Caesar's Palace, when we stayed here last time, we were on the other side and we were looking over Caesar's Palace. Now we're in the other wing. Yeah, corner high up. Yeah. Right, for the rest of the room, I'm just going to show you some of the amenities, and if I remember rightly, if you're looking for a safe, it's well hidden. It's in one of the drawers. I'll try this one. Oh, there's a nice clock radio. I think that's. It'll plug into all your digital kit. Yeah, here's the safe, and just straightforward to use. What else have we got? Lots of lovely waters on display. Drawer spaces. Lots of drawer spaces. Oh, and a fridge. And you know that fridge is full of beer and chocolate and shorts, Snickers. I don't take out a second mortgage. Yeah, so it's very expensive if you take anything out of there. Anyway, a nice sized TV. I think that concludes our tour of the room. I might show you more of the fountains when they go off again. But all in all, we're happy with it. And now let's unpack. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.